top innovation in oncology are probably immunotherapy. I think it's a very important breakthrough. For the first time, we are now able to mobilize the immune system, and I think this is something that bears fantastic potential. It already has changed a lot the way we treat patients, but we believe this is going to keep on this very impressive momentum. The second one is probably the way we use immunotherapy. At the moment, we're using immunotherapy the same way for each and every patient, and we believe strongly that personalization will be key for the success of the development of immunotherapy in the different disease area. So clearly, I think combining immunotherapy together with personalization will be probably the best way forward for the future. I think the third element is really whether or not we are now reaching the state where we can start seeing cure for some subset of patients. And I think probably the combining immunotherapy and personalization for well-selected patients will be the path forward for cure. I think we do not know yet what is the long-term outcome for those patients, but I think we have promising signs that some patients can be cured, and I think that's our next objective in oncology, to use personalized immunotherapy to maximize the chances of a cure for patients. Well, so clearly there are many areas of interest in oncology. I think at this point, maybe one way to put it is to say that integration is one of the main area of interest. I think we need to be able, in the very near future, to be able to combine data from genomics, from transcriptomics, from single-cell RNA-seq, from imaging, from digital pathology, and bring all of these together into a coherent predictive model on how to treat patients. And I think that's really one of the areas where most of research is happening at the moment, and where we believe the biggest benefit will come for the patients. My expectation by attending this summit are really to try and seek what are the potential ways that we can interact both with other academics or with industries to solve some of our biggest problems. I think the depth and breadth of the problems that we have to address in oncology is so large that no single institution can take it all. And I think we really need partnership with other university institutions or with companies, with biotechs, with pharmas, to be able to push the envelope. So I think clearly this type of interaction and collaboration is really key for the success, and that's what I really hope to get out of this conference. My key message for the other participants of this summit is really to try and seek as much interaction as possible and as many collaboration. I think it's a very nice environment to try to get the interest of other partners, being in the industry or the academic. I think it's a challenge for us to choose the best collaborators for the given project that we have in head. And I think a summit like this is a great opportunity to have a sort of a unbiased view of some of the local competencies, but also what's happening more broadly in Europe and across the world. So I think it's a very nice opportunity to seek for potential partner for our biggest project.